Hi, I'd like to book a taxi, please.
Of course. Where would you like to be picked up?
I'm at 25 Maple Street.
And where are you going?
To the airport.
No problem. How many passengers will there be?
Just one.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, 2 large suitcases and a backpack.
That's fine. A driver can be there in about 10 minutes.
Great. How much will the trip cost, approximately?
Around $30, depending on traffic.
That's reasonable.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card.
Perfect. The driver will call you when he arrives.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation under Emily Carter.
Let me check. Yes, I found your booking.
Great.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. You'll be staying for 3 nights, correct?
That's right.
Your room includes breakfast from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, it's free throughout the hotel.
Wonderful.
Your room is on the 5th floor. Here's your key card.
Thank you. Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, it's open 24 hours a day.
Excellent.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, do you know when the next bus arrives?
I think it's supposed to arrive in about 5 minutes.
That's good to hear. I thought I had missed it.
No, you're fine. The buses are usually pretty reliable.
Usually?
Well, sometimes traffic causes delays, but not very often.
That's reassuring.
Are you heading downtown?
Yes, I have an appointment there this afternoon.
Hopefully, traffic won't be too bad.
I hope so. I'm trying not to be late.
I understand. I hate rushing to appointments.
Me too.
Look, I think that's our bus coming now.
You're right. Perfect timing.
We won't have to wait much longer.
That's the best news I've heard all day.
Chris, have you seen the new movie everyone's talking about?
Not yet. Is it really that good?
I thought it was fantastic.
What's it about?
It's an adventure story with a lot of surprises and funny moments.
No spoilers, please.
Don't worry, I won't ruin it for you.
Was it exciting?
Very. There were several scenes where the whole audience was completely silent.
That's usually a good sign.
And then a few minutes later, everyone was laughing.
Sounds like a fun movie.
It definitely was.
Maybe I'll watch it this weekend.
You should. I think you'd enjoy it.
I'll let you know after I see it.
Deal.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Not really. Why do you ask?
A few friends and I are going out for dinner.
That sounds nice.
Would you like to come with us?
Sure, I'd love to.
Great. We're trying a new restaurant downtown.
I've heard good things about that place.
So have I.
What time are you meeting?
Around 7 o'clock.
Perfect. That gives me enough time to finish work.
Wonderful.
How many people are coming?
About 6 or 7.
Sounds like it'll be a fun evening.
I think so too. Thanks for inviting me over.
Of course. It's great to see you again.
It's been way too long.
I know. We've both been busy lately.
That's true. Work has been keeping me occupied.
Same here.
By the way, your apartment looks amazing.
Thanks. I recently spent some time redecorating.
I love the new furniture.
It took me forever to choose everything.
Well, it was worth it.
Thanks. Can I get you something to drink?
Tea would be great.
Sure. Make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. It's nice to catch up.
Absolutely.